Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is Caudalie Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for watching, and let's get started with the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. I really appreciate your support, so don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started with the video. So guys, I'll be sharing with you the benefits of facial extractions, who needs to be doing facial extractions in terms of skin types, and also a demo of me actually doing facial extractions on certain parts of my face where I do tend to get congested. So let's get started with the first thing. So guys, the benefits for facial extractions is decongesting the pores. The pores, as everybody may know or may not know, tend to hold a lot of your oils, your dirt, and just a lot of your waste and build up. So it's very important to clean out your pores. So that's why you'd probably want to do facial extractions. The other reason as well is when you do remove all the bacteria, the dirt and the oils, that means that your pores are left clean and the products are going to work more effectively and penetrate deeper into the skin. So that's the reason why you want to do this. For some people that do suffer with acne and oily skin, it's just going to help to sort of keep their breakouts at a minimum. So that's why you probably want to go for this treatment. So guys, the people that will benefit from this treatment is people with oily skin, because they're going to have a lot of oils, a lot of buildup, and people with combination skin, because certain parts of their face are going to be oily and just might need, you know, releasing off that build up. People with like dry, sensitive skin, you're not normally suggested to have extractions because your skin is more sensitive and it will probably just cause more problems. So those are the people that tend to have you know, facial extractions. How I do my facial extractions is I steam my face to begin with, and the reason why you want to steam your face is because when you steam your face, it softens up the pores and the contacts in your pores. So like, you know, you build up blackheads and whiteheads, it helps to soften them up, and it's just much more easier as well to remove the blackheads or the whiteheads when things are much more softer. So I highly recommend for you guys to steam your face, because that is just going to make it an easier job for you to do. The other thing I would highly suggest is only if you have sort of experience in doing facial extractions, then do this at home. But if you don't, please do speak to a skin professional that is able to do this treatment, because it's not really a treatment that like everyone should do at home, because you'll end up causing more damage to the skin. I happen to have, you know, studied skin care and also skin as well as a beauty therapist, so that's why I am doing this video. Otherwise I wouldn't, because of just the damages that you can cause to your skin, especially if you don't know what you're doing. But I'm just going to be, you know, showing you guys how I do it, and I only focus on my nose area and my chin area, because that's where I tend to build up a lot of dirt. So it's not something that I need to do on the whole of my face, it's just on specific places. I tend to do my facial extraction once a month. I don't want to overdo it again, like I said, because you end up damaging your skin. So we don't want to do that. So I just stick to doing it once a month, and when I need to do it, and not frequent, because it is a very intensive treatment to do at home. So now I'm going to show you guys how I actually do the extractions and basically how I remove them. So I'm super excited to share with you guys. The steamer that I'm going to be using in this clip here, I got it from Amazon, and when you order the steamer, it does come with some extraction tools, which is super cool. But again guys, please do not use the tools if you do not know how to do this, because we don't want you to be damaging your skin do wait for like a skin profession to do it for you. So yeah, just wanted to get that in there. So guys, I am now going to start cleansing my face. I always like to cleanse my face before I do any treatment. I'm using the Dermalogica Clearing Wash cleanser. If you guys want some more information about it or where to buy it, I will link it in the description box below. After I cleanse my face, I allow my skin to just pat dry and then, well, air dry, and then I move on to my steamer. I've bought my steamer from Amazon. I'll link it again in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I steam my face for like a good 10 minutes, and that just allows my pores to be nice and soft and ready for extraction. These are the tools that I'm using. I got these alongside my steamer, which I purchased on Amazon, and all I'm basically doing is just going over the pores and just slightly gently pushing down the pores. And because we've steamed, it's not going to be a strain for the pores to open up and the congestion to come out. So that's relatively what you want your extractions to be like, because if you force it too hard into your skin, you're going to bruise your skin and damage. Hence why I've mentioned only do this if you know how to do it, otherwise you can end up scalding your face. So after I take the extractions out of my nose, I've showed you guys what it looks like. It doesn't look very nice, but it's going to do my skin some good justice. So I move on to my chin, and then that is like basically it in terms of my extractions. And then I just go in with some skincare. I'm toning now after this, just making sure that everything is nice and clean and disinfected in that area, and just soothing my pores and getting them to close up once again. And then I go in with a serum. I am using the Night Repair Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder, and again I'll link that in the description box below. It is one of my fave serums that I like to use, because it just makes your skin really nice and glowy in the morning, and it also helps with, anti-aging and just tightening up the skin and just giving the skin a general brightened complexion. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my favorite hydrating gel from Avene, and this is really nice, very lightweight as well, and really good for all skin types. So I'm just going in with this just so that I can moisturize and to make sure that my skin, has got that moisture barrier after steaming. So that's what I am basically doing here. And then that is basically it, guys. In terms of extraction, it's very simple and easy, but again, only do this if you know how to. If you don't, go and see a skin therapist or skin doctor, esthetician. They'll be able to help you with this. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.